Hi, my name is Jessie Metzger. I am an educational technology specialist at Pinecrest School. My love affair with Google Apps began in 2011 when I was a student in the University of Florida's online graduate school program, and I needed to collaborate with classmates who were literally across the globe. This is when I became hooked on Google Apps for Education. Once I started using Google as a student, the transition to teaching with GAIF was immediate, complete, and transformational. I loved it. Soon, I found myself overhearing my colleagues lamenting problems and saying, "You can fix that if you use Google." Before long, I was providing trainings to my colleagues and to nearby schools. I have provided a workshop on GAIF for the Florida Council of Independent Schools, countless trainings to my faculty, and several sessions at the Innovation Institute. I want anyone who participates in one of my trainings to feel like they learned something they can use immediately the next day, something that makes them say, "That's cool. I can't wait to try that with my students." Hi, today I want to share with you how to turn a regular Google form multiple choice question into a self-grading quiz item. First, log into your Google Apps for Education account. Then, create a new form by clicking on the big red New button in the upper left, select More, and then choose Google Forms, which is represented by a purple icon. Once you're inside your new Google form, you need to find the Settings, which is represented by a gear icon in the upper right corner. Select the gear icon to open up the Settings window, and then select Quizzes, which is the third choice. Once you're in the Quizzes option, you need to turn on the Make This a Quiz feature, but don't forget to press Save in the bottom right corner of that dialog. Now, you'll see that the blue answer keywords have shown up with the blue clipboard under your multiple choice item. I'm going to create an example multiple choice item here. I'm going to provide my quiz takers with two options, yes and no. And then I'm going to make this a quiz item by selecting Answer Key. I then have to choose which is the correct answer. Yes is the correct answer. I can also assign this a point value, 100 points. Now I want to add answer feedback because that's amazing. So when I select Add Answer Feedback, I can provide feedback for incorrect and correct answers, including a link possibly to resources a student might want to review if they missed a question. I can also provide positive feedback for correct answers as well. Don't forget to press Save. Now that I've added feedback, I can preview this as what my students would see. Preview is represented by the eyeball in the upper right corner next to the gear icon. Once I'm previewing, I have an option to see exactly what my students see, and I think that's amazing.